Q.FLAT-G6, the flexible flat roof mounting system from Q-Cells. Q.FLAT-G6 has an official technical approval for the complete system, a proof of the lighting current carrying capacity and low resistance connection, as well as optimized ballasting. It is available in the orientations east or west and south, each with an inclination angle of 10 degrees. The system is designed for the use on roof surfaces for inclination up to 5 degrees, on buildings up to 20 meters high. Thereby, Q.FLAT-G6 can be used on a wide range of roof surfaces. Particularly important, it is absolutely safe and easy to mount. The main components. In the system, these consist of a main profile, a high-tech protective mat that is already integrated and permanently glued to its underside, a connecting and start floor profile, the tower as the upper support, the base component as the lower support, as well as middle and end clamps and the cross brace and cross brace connectors. The assembly process. The structure is always the same within the system and begins with the start floor profile, which is connected to the base by a simple click. This is followed by the main profile, followed by another base, the connecting floor profile, a base, and continuing in the same pattern according to the assembly instruction. After mounting all floor profiles and bases, the towers are mounted. The tower is placed and clicked into the main profile with a slight movement to the right. This can be checked acoustically and visually. After installing base, tower, and main profiles, the rows are now spaced equally. This can be done quickly and easily using the supplied universal spacing gauge or the marked cross braces. To increase the system stability, in the penultimate step, 2 cross braces and a cross brace connector are installed in the 4 corners of each system block, and the ballast is laid according to plan. Finally, the middle and end clamps are clicked onto the system and the modules can be mounted.